Hello, assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings. My name is Sabina and this is my April 2024 newsletter video blog summary. This month I continue with my Fairtrade Ramadan blog, and I managed to complete this blog by posting a Fairtrade product every day. And I'd like to thank the Fairtrade Foundation Schools and Education team for liking my posts on social media, especially X. I'd also like to announce that this year is my 12th year participating in the 6 items challenge with Labour Behind the Label. I started this challenge in 2012 and I've continued it ever since, so thank you to everybody who supported me over the years, and I look forward to recording my journey with the 6 items challenge this year. If I'm not feeling well, I will definitely record the videos when I'm feeling better. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to recording another video blog for you next month. Take care. Bye for now. Walaikum assalam. Peace and blessings.